Get up out here.
No.
I left the club staggering, blacked and handcuffed and lifted in a paddy wagon. In the house to sale, without a doubt. Your mama put her house up to bail me out. If that ain't sticking to the script, I'm a future son-in-law. He never gave me no lead. Thought I wasn't. Love you cause you was down when I was girl, I wanna thank you. When I come and question, do you know? Nah, thank you. Corners I be banking. Money I be making. You go. Nah. Newcomer, turned out by beer wine. Gigi Hunter, mesmerized by my slime. I popped my collar one time. Got control of your mind. Never know. I'm sometimes a kin of cows. Thug out. Never judge me by my clothes when it's a drought. I be right. Season vibes 5 times on the lookout for the power. Double G, don't wanna be me. As happy as can be. Ain't dog the 40. Find the red on the bay. Go to LA, don't care what you say. What you say? They gon' family. Oh boy, what do you know? You know? Yeah. Straight game, you underdog? Oh boy.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we stay doing this. You underdid it? Please play that part of the game. How about? Battle cat on the track. How about? Please relax. Sick with the records.
Sick with the records.
How about?
Yeah.
Please relax.
40 funds are really.
We stay doing this.
Get your marbles.
Spit it, pimpin'.
Yeah.
Please relax.
Yo, Mike D, see this shit banging?
Pop a few bands, couple grand on me. Hustle with the mob, you wouldn't understand, homie. Couple straps on me, put that on the dead homies. Hit your block dick, keep a 30 in the 40s. When I hit the block, only real one know me. Used to call me dopey, don't run up on me. I'm quick to take your show. See, my circle small, hitters around me only. And if you with the gossip shit, get left on how you lonely. Eastside fully, I'm on some fly shit. Get off my dick, got clips for those who try shit. Treat that dope like it's my bitch. Have her on the stroll, so I die rich. Put that on the set, put across my chest. Ain't about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set. Yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set. Put that on the set, put across my chest. Ain't about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set. Yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set.
Rolling up a blunt and I'm coming from the east side. Smoking on some weed and I'm throwing up a peace sign. And I got my peace on me just for a peace of mind. Money on my mind so you know that I'm on the grind. And I'm talking all the time. You know if you need it, I got it. And if you ain't flipping something, then you know we ain't talking. Yeah, cause I be on the come up on the regular. Please no talking up on the motherfucking cellular. I see you when I sell to you. G-code on the regular, I got your bitch angular. Whoa, get up out the way, ho. I need to get up out the dough so I could get the dope.
Put that on the set, put across my chest. Been about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set. Yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set. Put that on the set, put across my chest. Been about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set. Yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set.
Let them know. Another day in the city, even the strong die. Trying to cook me a bird so we can multiply. Don't be asking what it costs, saying shit's fly. Ain't no information given, ho, it's classified. Lifestyle code, live by the code. Gunshots blow if we try and reach for my goal. Problematic with the flow, only here to get the dough. Why you getting all dramatic over hoes? Why? Came to set the record straight, we gon' speak facts. If it's war, we gon' let the max speak back. Have you riding in your hood with the seat back? So think twice before you go and try to speak back.
Put across my chest, been about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set, put that on the set, put across my chest, been about a check, gang signs when I flex. I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set, yeah, I put that on the set, put that on the set.
Os mangas estão a fazer Jeep, carro Jeep.
The mechanics.
OG, lemon tree, cookies in that 41. Rolex diamonds on my wrist, you see that 41. Bought it for $50, couple hundred on the boat. Gang of bad bitches in bikinis and they tryna smoke. Lean me, Gorilla Glue, sherbet and that moon rock. Say they on that Molly too, tell them we got moon rocks. I would never flex on them, I'd rather have sex on them. Get them all physicals and run a couple tests on them. Smoke with them, teach them how to roll, then kick them out. The less a bitch know about, the less she can run them out. Plus these bitches blowing heavy, bitches trying to smoke me out. Came with a couple zips, I'm damn to a half ounce. Never smoke with a boss, what you trying to prove something? What's up with that big ol' ass, bitch, I'm trying to move something. Knock some shit down, I mean really run through something. Blame the mechanics, cause they done screwed something, for real.
Now you niggas don't know me. I'm blowing on the highest grade. My DNA made of THC. I'm all of the loudest spray. I don't need a Lincoln gear. I'ma never come down, I'ma reach for the sky. Everybody peeking, I'ma get higher. I can get higher, higher, higher. I can get higher.
It's the big Snoop Easy, back with my nigga Double Easy, with my lokes on, smoking like a broke stove. I'm what you call the originator, catch a stiller with a radar, psycho, disco, beta, put seeds in the dirt, then 6 months later, buds falling on the leaf, buds fucking at the beat, hoes falling after me. Shit, you know I get it. Open up the book and turn the page to the glossary. Richie Rich, we need to open a dispensary and get money globally like a winner. Selling big bitters, they can't fuck with us. From Long Beach to Oakland, stay back stroking while loking and smoking. Trip, will I retire? Bitch, are you for real? Smoke dope at the White House and Capitol Hill. Yeah.
Now you niggas don't know me. I'm blowing on the highest grade. My DNA made of THC. I'm all of the loudest spray.
Olha aqui bocado de dança.
I'ma never come down, I'ma reach for the sky. Everybody please, I'ma get high until I can get no higher, 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 higher.
A zona tem muita areia, já sabia. Esta zona final tem boa areia mesmo. É bem difícil de escapar esta areia toda.
Yeah, gang boss, we don't wanna get the job done. I don't wanna feature on your record, you ain't pop nothing. Ball man full of water for the cops on. See you Ethan on my lane, you trying to top something. We got drums on the clock, you trying to swap something. Bless you youngin' with a yeek if he ain't got nothing. Bless you youngin' with a P, supposed to put him on. Ask about the niggas from the P, we been putting on. Live dope smoke, live dope smoke. That cookie pack pollute the air if niggas didn't know. Waking up the dice gang with a 10 I'm a California nigga, bitch, we sitting on. Dope beer, time to get it off the kitchen stove. Hand-to-hand transaction, we call it pick and roll. My youngin' move behind the slams at the fishing low. That packy out for Ruby, get a fiction on.
Now you niggas don't know me. I'm blowing on the highest. My DNA made of THC. I'm all of the loudest spray. I don't need no Lincoln gear. I'ma never come down, I'ma reach for the sky. Everybody please, I'ma get high until I get higher, higher, higher.
para o máximo possível. A passagem
I think I need to get with her because I need a hit. Word life, I think I slide to her side. The kid game about who I am, I beat the air till it die. Cause yo, I don't play, I never was a half stepper. Plus the gift of gab is always up the part, that's how I sweat. That's right. Off of this money, if I couldn't wait to get my meat. Doesn't guarantee to make the kid alone. If I can only get this chance to tap the
faz 2 vezes mais força.
I'm mad to see that rope shaking money maker. This rep taker was a definite heartbreaker. I went for self because the chick was top shelf. I always pushed up on the best to get my ego off my chest. I knew she had some dope and new provocative clothes. And when I took a dip inside the sugar walls, my heart broke. Lady heroin, you know you just saw that. Yo, it's the bomb, baby. You got me like crack. Got me bending over backwards just to tap that cat. I used to be like the Mac, now I don't know how to act. Now when I first met her, I was down in the dumps. Took my pumps in the bunk, jumped down with some chump named Willie Blunt. Feeling sad and mad hurt. That's when the squad honey walked up to me in the brown leather shirt.
Malta, sintam a view, está a gregas? Sintam esta view, man. Mesmo calminho. Porra, nestas alturas é que realmente ter um jeep e vir até aqui isto é outra coisa, mano, é outra coisa. Não tem nada a ver, mano. Olha como isto está pacífico, olha a água como está pacífica. Está ali people a praticar natação, lá ao fundo vão fazer stand-up paddle. Uns people a jogar mais raquetes do outro lado da lagoa. É que esta zona é a zona mais afastada da lagoa, aqui já estás em frente aos parques de campismo. Se não estou enganado, já os parques de campismo é ali, por isso... Yeah. Aqui só vem quem tem um caiaquezito, uma canoa, jeep ou moto 4. Então bicicleta como eu. A fazer um belo esforço. Mas dá vontade de dar um mergulho, isso dá fogo. Está ali um corvozito ao pé da água. Dá mesmo vontade de dar um mergulho, ficar aqui. Aproveitar a água. Espetacular, né? Já estão ali uns a praticar mesmo alta natação, né? Só que a câmera não consegue captar. Já está aqui um jeep, um Volkswagen, está ali outro. E está ali outro jeep também em baixo. Sim, há bocado aqueles gajos que eram naqueles carros normais estavam-se mesmo a habilitar a ficar aqui no carro. Mas eles conseguiram cá chegar, não sei como. Mas é mesmo um grande perigo. Tens de vir para aqui assim com um carro normal. Mesmo que o carro seja alto. É espetáculo isto, né? É, porque eu vou parar de gravar um bocadinho.